Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about following mini cars, mini trucks, different heroes. So now start checking with me with this truck. Okay, now I put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Now I bring one and shake it in water. The first one is a cement mixer. I know you can see this truck, this cement mixer truck at construction areas, usually in cities, countryside. Okay. Now check the first one, the second one. No, the first one, the second one. This one is a hero, Iron Man. You can see red Iron Man. Now check the next. Leather truck. A leather truck. A nice leather truck. How about this one? Indonesian language. In Indonesian language, we call Mobil Truk. You can see Mobil Truk, but in English we call truck. Okay, truck. Now check the next. A logistic truck. A cute logistic truck. There are two containers, yellow container and green container. Very nice. My interesting logistic truck. Can you guess this one? Hero Captain America. A little Captain America, you can see. Captain America. Now check the next one. We can see this car at hospital. Ambulance. We call ambulance. How about this one, everybody? This is a policeman with white color. Very nice police car. Sorry, very nice police super motorbike with white color. Now check the next. School bus. Mini school bus with yellow color. It is getting old day after day. Everybody, this is a red super motorbike. My favorite super motorbike, but I don't have money to buy it. The next one. How about this one? Racing car, very nice racing car with number 6, with number 9, sorry, with number 9. Now check the next one. Everybody, this is a police car with yellow color. Police car with yellow color. Everyone, so now let's move to another bigger truck. So we turn left and we can see another interesting truck here. Okay, now I put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Very strange airplane with two tails. You can see two tails here. This airplane is number 22. How about this one? You can see this one is a cement mixer truck. A cute cement mixer truck. The next, red car with number 89. Very nice. This one is a kind of off-road car. How about this one? A cute car. The next one. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. You can see this one is a bulldozer. A very nice bulldozer. Red express bus. Red express bus. You can see a nice express bus or red express bus. Very nice. Super cute. How about this one? I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. Everybody, if you know its name, please write down. Everybody, this is a mini airplane. You can see this one is a mini airplane. Everyone, let's move to another bigger truck. Which one should we go to? I should go to a right one. Okay, now go to a right one. I turn it in the right way so we can see interesting thing here. Now I put some water at the same time so we can see some parts of any cars here. Now I bring one with mini red car number 3. Okay, the next Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language, Mobil Tanki, English, tank truck. The next one, air drum bus, air drum bus, air drum bus number 1355, air drum bus. The next one, another interesting vehicle, supercar green color, supercar green color. Racing car, cute racing car, mini cute racing car, green color, another green color. Everybody, how about this one? I think this one is a big truck. Now check the last one. Mobil Truk Mobil Truk. Everyone, if you like my video, please write down. And especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching.